Sonia with RC Solutions, and today I want to tell you about the January Favorite Craft Challenge 22. And basically you can just go to my blog, and each month there's going to be a theme for the challenge with prompts of what the theme is and what types of things to use. And you could, if you wanted to get the whole entire year, you could just go on the blog on the webpage 2022 Monthly Craft Challenge, and there's a form that's on there that you could find, that you could download and print out, and it'll tell you like all the different themes and what hashtags to use with your theme if you're going to post it on your social media sites and things like that. And it'll have a list of all the materials that are required for each challenge. So like June is like Father's Day, and it'll have like what's needed for it and stuff like that. But yeah, so every month you can just click on that monthly craft challenge form, print it out, and then you'll have it. So for January, the winter theme is the theme is winter theme, and you use ink. And these were the choices that you could use for the ink, and you would use hashtag January Fave 2022 if you're going to post your creations on any social media sites. And you could choose between at least 3 items from each set of prompts. So you can use ink spray, distress inks, paint, alcohol ink, printer refill ink, ink pen like a ballpoint pen, magic marker, Sharpie, highlighter, etc. And I pretty much use all except for the printer refill ink. And so let me just show you what I made. I just made this little winter themed, it's like a trifold folio, and I have more details about what all I used on it on the blog. So but to start out, this is the cover of it, and I just did some stitching around all of them. And here's a little card, and then here's another little card, and this card has like a little tuck spot in it, and that's what I had this tucked in. And oh, and by the way, this right here is a freebie. I used there's a freebie kit that I also had in here. You're gonna have freebie kits for each month too as well that you can use. And there's an ephemera sheet that you can print out, and so I did that with some of these, and that's where some of these little elements and things come from. So, and I used them throughout. So I just cut them out, this little journal card, cut it out, added it to some coffee dyed paper, and then just stitched on this little tab up here. Okay, and then I decoupaged. I took a napkin and I decoupaged this little image on here, and then added it to the background. And these are little pieces of a die cut from the Momenta die cut. I don't know the name of it, but I'll have it in the description of where I got it from. And then I have like a little tuck spot right here, and then this opens up like so, because like I said, it's a little trifold little folio. And then we have like a little picture here, and this is the little tuck spot right here, and this is part of that die. That right there is also a part of this die right here that I had used. And then the words fireplace and winter and this little thing right here, this little snowflake, all of that comes from that kit that's on the blog, the freebie kit. And then I just, you know, added some little decorations, some little nouveau drops, added some little cards, some little fussy cutout items and stuff. And so this flips over, and I just basically just decorated it using some more of those little elements from the freebie kit. Most of this is all from the freebie kit. And then I just took some scrap paper and stitched them together and created like this little notepad. And I did the same with this one. And here's some little embellishments. This tag is also from that kit, that freebie kit. So, and then I just added some stickers and just different little things on here for these little journaling cards. And that's pretty much it. It's just a simple little old just a little old folio, trifold folio. And I have not really instructions, but I have more detailed ways of how I made this on the blog. If you're interested in how I made it, you can just go to my blog and check it out. But yeah, so every month we're going to have a prompt, and if you want to participate, just you know, make whatever you're going to use, and then use the hashtag that's provided for each month on your in your description or whatever platform you're going to use. So, and like I said, if you wanted to download your prompts for the whole year, that's a whole lot more convenient, so you can see what you're going to be making and what it takes and things like that. So, well, I hope this video was interesting, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can continue to get notifications, and check out my other videos and my of course my blog and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.